If your control center is not working on iOS 26, don't panic.
Here are 12 fixes, ordered from the simplest to the most advanced. Most people are done by fix 5.
First, the most important thing to know, there is no error message.
You swipe down from the top right corner and nothing happens. No dialogue, no text. The error is simply the missing response.
Different symptoms point to different fixes. Match yours.
Doesn't open at all? Only fails inside apps. Only while locked. Controls look invisible or toggles are dead and frozen. Each card shows which fix to jump to.
Fix 1. Check the gesture. On Face ID iPhones, swipe down from the very corner, starting over the battery icon. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the bottom instead.
And inside full-screen games and video apps, swipe twice. The first swipe only shows a small handle.
Fix 2. A dirty screen or a thick case can block the edge gesture.
Wipe the screen with a soft cloth, remove the case, and try again from the corner.
Fix 3. If Control Center works on the home screen but not inside apps, the Access Within app setting is off.
Open Settings, tap Control Center, and turn Access Within apps on.
Then open any app and swipe down to confirm.
Fix 4. If it won't open while the phone is locked, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode.
Enter your passcode, and under Allow Access when locked, turn on Control Center. Lock the phone and swipe down. It should open now.
Fix 5. The Force Restart. Press and quickly release volume up.
Press and quickly release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding, even when slide to power off appears.
Wait for the Apple logo. Up to 20 seconds, then release. No data is lost, and this clears most stuck system processes.
Fix 6. On iOS 26, liquid glass transparency can hide controls on bright wallpapers.
Open Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency, Increase Contrast, and Bold Text.
You can also switch liquid glass to tinted under display and brightness for more opacity and contrast system-wide.
Fix 7. If toggles are missing or your customization won't save, rebuild the layout.
Open Control Center and tap the plus button at the top left.
Remove the broken controls, then tap Add a Control to open the gallery and add them back. Swipe up from the bottom to save.
Fix 8. If Control Center lags or freezes when opening, turn off. Background app refresh.
Settings General, Background App Refresh, set it to off. Then force restart once more and open Control Center. It should appear instantly.
Fix 9. Outdated apps and iOS bugs cause this too.
In the comment store, tap your profile icon and tap Update All. Then check Settings, General Software Update.
Tap Update Now. Keep Wi-Fi on and the phone plugged in during the update.
Fix 10. Reset all settings. Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset, then reset all settings.
The dialog says exactly this. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Confirm with your passcode.
Your photos, apps, and messages stay, but Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings are cleared.
Fix 11. The full wipe. Backup first with iCloud backup or a computer.
Then Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue, enter your passcode, Choose whether to keep your eSIM and type your Apple ID password.
The phone restarts to hello. Restore from your backup. Only do this after fix 10 failed.
Fix 12. Connect to a computer. On Mac, open Finder. On Windows, open the Apple Devices app or iTunes.
Click your iPhone, then restore iPhone. If the phone is frozen, enter recovery mode. Volume up, volume down, then hold side until you see the computer and cable screen. And remember, if the top strip of the screen never responds anywhere, it may be hardware. Visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider. So why does this happen? 4 causes: a stuck system process, a setting that blocks access, the liquid glass design hiding controls, or a hardware touch fault.
Apple has been fixing the design since the beta. More blur in Beta 2, a clock slider in 26.2, and finally, a clear or tinted liquid glass toggle.
Bookmark this. Match your symptom and jump to the fix.
Doesn't open? Fixes 1, 2, 5, 10. Only in apps. Fix 3. Only when locked. Fix 4. Invisible controls. Fixes 6 and 9. Dead toggles. Fixes 5, 7, 8.
Start with the free, easy ones. Most people are fixed by Fix 5, the force restart. You've got this.